marketing coordinator here at Softoppers, and today we're going to take you out to our parking lot and find some Softoppers.
What's up guys, my name's Will. I'm the marketing intern here at Softoppers. This is my 92 Toyota pickup. I bought it off some sweet old lady, bless her heart. You'll be seeing this in some of our marketing promos. Say what's up in the comments. Original suspension. Go over to the front. Retro style steering wheel, a 5-speed manual. This thing is a blast to drive around town. So yeah, I hope you guys like it.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Robertson. I've been with the company 42 years. This is what I drive, 2023 Ford Maverick. I love how it looks. It's extremely handy.
If you had to name it, what would you name it?
Blues Cruise.
Blues Cruise? That's pretty good.
What's up guys, it's Will again. I'm going to be giving you a rundown about our shop truck. Right here we have a 2018 TRD Pro Toyota Tacoma, 16-inch method race wheels, and the Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ 33-inch tires. For suspension, a Dirt Logic 3-inch coil lift kit, a FabTech reinforced upper control arm. In the back, we have our Dirt Logic add-a-leaf system, Dirt Logic shocks. Moving on to our Dayton rack. This thing is sturdy, have all different mounts to do different accessories. If you were gas pods, skyjacker, whatever it is, we got you covered. Oh, we got you covered. That's our slogan. Of course, we have our Softopper. We're featuring our new twill fabric. A little dirty because we use our truck for what we like to use it for, off-roading. We have our Baja Designs S2 Sport bumper lights. These are super helpful when you're camping or need some extra light. Let's move over to the front. So up front we have our Baja Fog Pocket Kit light. They're daylight tinted, so it gives you optimum visibility at night. Our Baja Designs light bar fits really seamlessly into this bumper. Really cool, stock, upgraded look.
What's up guys, I'm Dan. I'm the warehouse manager of Softopper, and this is my truck. '22 Chevy Colorado Z71. New wheels, tires, leveling kit. It's a fun truck.
Hey, what's going on guys? Russ Rhodes with Softopper. Been with the company for 14 years. This is my 07 Toyota Tacoma. 243,000 miles on this vehicle. A Softopper has been on this vehicle for every mile. Everything's been holding up, going strong.
Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Andrew. I'm a product marketing specialist for Softopper. This is my Chevy Colorado work truck. It's my daily driver. I always rock a Softopper on it. I use my Softopper every single day. I love it. I also have a little lighting rig here. Really nice at night. Makes it really easy to find what I'm looking for. So much more room to the back of your truck. Makes it feel like it's a whole new bed.
Alright guys, that's a wrap on our What's in Our Parking Lot video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, follow us on all of our social media.